Vinyl is a lifestyle. It's a process. It's a commitment. And I love the ritual of it. You pick out the record, you pull it out of its sleeve, you put the record on the turntable, you clamp it down, you cue up the needle, and then even in the digital age, vinyl is still the best way to listen to music. SME makes the best tone arms and turntables in the world. From 1946 to 2024, we are making everything in-house, and we do it all here in Stenning, England. SME has a very rich history. We start all the way back to 1946 with founder Mr. Alistair Robertson Aikman starting to make scale models, then segueing into precision instruments for F1, medical equipment, and aerospace industries, all the way through to the 50s where he develops the first tone arm for his personal use, getting everyone in the industry very enthusiastic about the possibilities of what audio can sound like, all the way through to 2024, making the best turntables in the industry. We consider SME to be the Stradivarius of turntables. I've assembled thousands of turntables, and absolutely nothing compares to the tolerances of an SME. There's a lot of bandwidth and control that needs to happen with turntable playback. And SME's materials, their tolerances, the testing ability, our engineering, isolates all of that and controls that bandwidth completely. It is part of the reason why we love vinyl so much, is that it achieves a great bandwidth without that compression that digital will give you. To be able to control a needle, to track it in the grooves of essentially plastic is very, very important. And SME's tone arms and their turntables allow for just that. They hold time, they're completely rigid, so your cartridge is absolutely stable, and you know exactly what you're going to be getting every time with an SME.
There are two main things with turntables. One of them is isolation from the local environment, so that if a truck goes by, it doesn't interfere with the sound quality. And the second thing is speed stability, because musicians especially are very touchy about pitch. If you play the piano, you don't really want to hear the pitch wobbling or being out. And with precision engineering like SMEs, you can guarantee that you've got the optimum in isolation and the optimum in speed control. In fact, we have an external speed control box that plugs into the turntable and has very special engineering inside to guarantee that the pitch is exactly where it should be.
We have complete control over every single part, and that's very, very rare in the industry. I don't know any other analog company in the world that has manipulation over every single material and part in their product, period. We do have 7 turntables in our range, and every single turntable has a unique value. From our Model 6 to our Model 12, you've got a certain style build, but then from Model 15 up, we introduce the suspended line. And that's really what SME is known for, is the suspended turntables. We do offer various tone arms. We can do anything from J-shape with removable head shell to a 9-inch straight magnesium tone arm with a removable head shell, to a 12-inch solid cut magnesium tone arm. Every single tone arm plays a role in our history and in playback, and all serves a purpose. From the 40s to the 50s to now, we have always used the best engineers, the best technology, and precision engineering. Where other companies need to outsource other products, we do everything in-house and we will maintain that integrity. Every SME product started its life on our design table. And now in modern times, on our design software, SolidWorks. We cut our tone arms and our Model 6 chassis on the YCM machine. In our inspection department, most components are checked twice and run through the CMM machine or the coordinate measuring machine. It's very unique that on every single polished part of an SME is touched by one of our employees with high-level polishing. There's a huge amount of work that goes into hand finishing before the plating process, and this is the fettling station. We are capable of black chroming, anodizing, and plating all of our components in-house. We have an in-house chemist that spends all day every day working on combinations for gold plating, black chroming, and anodizing metal. Something that you'll find very unique on our flagship Model 60 is what we call the one-of-one model, where you can get your very own unique color anodized metal. And once that metal is made in that color, we will take it off the market so no one else can have it. For the products that are painted, we have a twin spray shop, so all of our painting is done in-house. After we've made our components, we also then assemble them together. So every SME employee in the assembly area gets a kit that has been done properly, and they put them together, and then it goes off for testing. Every single turntable is running for 4 days to ensure quality control and runtime is proper. And finally, packaging. The packaging experience has to live up to the expectations of everything that just happened in-house in the factory. It's the very first experience that a customer gets when they're introduced with an SME turntable. At SME, it's not just building something. We are obsessed with precision and development, maintaining trends, being in the know, and producing a product that will outlive all of us. It's going to sound amazing today and 100 years from now.